What if a few clever gadgets could save you time, solve everyday frustrations, and make life a whole lot easier? In today's video, we're counting down 17 incredible Amazon finds that are smarter than they look. From a pocket-sized tool that makes electronics repair surprisingly easy to a wireless cooking gadget that takes the guesswork out of perfect meals, these products are designed to impress. Make sure you stick around until the end because some of these gadgets are so useful, you'll be wondering why you didn't discover them sooner. If you've ever tried repairing a phone, laptop, watch, or camera, you know how frustrating tiny screws can be. One slip, one missing bit, and the entire project comes to a halt. That's where this compact electric screwdriver kit shines. Equipped with 50 magnetic bits and organized magnetic storage, it makes precision repairs feel surprisingly effortless. The powered driver handles delicate tasks with ease while keeping everything neat and accessible. Whether you're fixing gadgets, upgrading electronics, or tackling DIY projects, this tool turns complicated repairs into a smooth and satisfying experience. Every parent knows that hungry babies rarely wait for the perfect moment. Whether you're stuck in traffic, at the airport, or enjoying a day outdoors, preparing a warm bottle can quickly become stressful. This portable bottle warmer is designed to solve that problem. With fast heating technology, dual warming modes, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it keeps feeding time simple wherever you go. Its large capacity helps reduce refills throughout the day, making it a practical companion for travel, daily errands, and family adventures. Traditional lighters always seem to run out of fuel when you need them most. This rechargeable electric lighter offers a smarter solution with a powerful arc that ignites instantly at the push of a button. Unlike ordinary lighters, it doesn't rely on fuel and performs reliably even in windy conditions. Perfect for lighting candles, campfires, grills, and more, it's both practical and modern. Once you experience the convenience of USB charging and consistent performance, going back to disposable lighters feels almost impossible. What if you could reduce unwanted hair without constantly booking salon appointments? This advanced hair removal device brings professional-style treatment directly into your home. Using powerful light technology and a built-in cooling system, it helps make sessions more comfortable while targeting hair efficiently. Smart sensors automatically adjust for better performance and ease of use. In just a few minutes, you can complete treatments that once required expensive visits. It's a beauty gadget designed to save both time and effort over the long run. Movie nights deserve more than ordinary microwave popcorn. This popcorn maker creates a fresh, theater-style experience right in your kitchen. A built-in stirring system continuously moves the kernels, helping them pop more evenly while reducing the chance of burning. The large serving bowl makes sharing easy, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a family movie marathon. Watching fluffy popcorn pile up in minutes is surprisingly satisfying, and the fresh taste makes store-bought popcorn feel like a compromise. Mornings can be hectic, especially when you're trying to prepare something healthy. This compact blender helps simplify the process by handling smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more within seconds. Despite its small footprint, it's powerful enough for everyday use and versatile enough for countless recipes. The included accessories make blending and serving incredibly convenient. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or preparing quick snacks, this blender helps turn simple ingredients into something delicious with minimal effort. Dust has a way of hiding in places that cloths and brushes simply can't reach. This cordless air duster uses powerful airflow to blast debris out of keyboards, computers, car interiors, and other difficult spaces. Unlike disposable air cans, it's rechargeable and reusable, making it a more practical long-term solution. Multiple nozzles and adjustable speeds add flexibility for different cleaning tasks. It's one of those gadgets that seems simple at first but quickly becomes something you can't imagine living without. Imagine creating your favorite frozen desserts whenever cravings strike. This compact machine transforms everyday ingredients into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and more with just a few button presses. The real fun comes from experimenting with unique flavors and mix-ins that you won't find in stores. Whether you're making treats for kids, guests, or yourself, every batch feels customized and fresh. For dessert lovers, it's the kind of gadget that can quickly become the star of the kitchen. Seasoning food may seem like a small task, but this gadget turns it into something surprisingly satisfying. Instead of twisting or pressing buttons, simply tilt the grinder and watch freshly ground spices appear instantly. Adjustable coarseness settings let you choose everything from fine seasoning to bold, coarse textures. Built-in lighting helps you see exactly how much you're adding, even in low light. It's a simple upgrade, but one that makes cooking feel smoother, more modern, and a lot more enjoyable every day. Have you ever spent several minutes searching for something that should have been easy to find? This portable label maker helps eliminate that frustration by bringing instant organization to your home, office, or small business. Connect it to your smartphone, create custom labels in seconds, and transform clutter into order. From storage bins and files to product packaging and cables, everything becomes easier to identify. Once you start labeling, you'll be amazed by how much time and stress it can save. Personal grooming doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. This advanced grooming tool is designed to deliver precision, comfort, and convenience in one compact package. Its waterproof design allows for use in or out of the shower, while dual trimming options help handle different grooming needs with ease. The rechargeable battery and travel-friendly design make it perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether at home or on the road, it helps keep your routine quick, simple, and consistently effective. Few things can ruin your day faster than discovering a low tire just before leaving home. That's why a portable tire inflator can be such a lifesaver. Compact enough to store in your vehicle, it quickly inflates tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and even sports equipment. The digital display helps ensure accurate pressure, while cordless operation adds extra convenience. It's one of those gadgets you might not use every day, but when you need it, you'll be incredibly glad it's there. Cooking eggs sounds simple until you're trying to prepare breakfast during a busy morning rush. This compact appliance takes the guesswork out of the process by helping you boil, poach, and steam eggs with consistent results. It can prepare multiple eggs at once, making it ideal for families, meal prep, or healthy snacks throughout the week. Quick, convenient, and easy to use, it's a kitchen gadget that can save valuable time while making breakfast far less stressful. Fresh salads start with properly cleaned and dried ingredients, but that process can often be messy and time-consuming. This clever kitchen tool helps wash and dry fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens in minutes. The spinning action removes excess water quickly, helping ingredients stay crisp and fresh. It also doubles as a serving bowl, reducing cleanup afterward. If you're trying to eat healthier or simply enjoy better salads, this gadget makes preparation noticeably easier and more enjoyable. Have you ever made the perfect cup of coffee only to get distracted and return to a cold drink? This smart mug warmer solves that everyday problem by keeping beverages at a comfortable temperature for hours. Adjustable heat settings allow you to find your ideal warmth, while automatic shutoff features provide peace of mind. Whether you're working, studying, or relaxing, it helps ensure every sip is as satisfying as the first. Once you start using it, cold coffee becomes a distant memory. Opening cans shouldn't require extra strength or frustration. This automatic can opener handles the entire job with the touch of a button, creating smooth edges while reducing effort. It's especially useful for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who simply wants more convenience in the kitchen. Compact and rechargeable, it takes up very little space while making a surprisingly big difference during meal preparation. Sometimes the simplest gadgets end up being the most useful of all. Nothing is more disappointing than overcooked steak or undercooked barbecue after hours of preparation. This wireless smart thermometer helps eliminate the guesswork by monitoring temperatures in real time and sending updates directly to your smartphone. Whether you're grilling, smoking, roasting, or air frying, it helps you achieve consistent results without constantly checking the food. Multiple sensors provide detailed insights throughout the cooking process. For anyone serious about great food, this gadget feels less like a tool and more like a secret weapon.